In this video, I'll show you how to make a bar graph in PowerPoint. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you want to add the graph. Next, click the Insert tab in the top menu and select Chart. A window will appear displaying different chart types. Choose Bar from the list on the left, then select the bar chart style that best fits your needs. Click OK to insert the chart into your slide. Once the chart is added, an Excel spreadsheet will automatically open. Enter your data into the sheet and the bar graph will update instantly based on the values you provide. After adding your data, you can customize the chart using the Chart Design and Format tabs. Change colors, add data labels, adjust layouts, or modify other design elements to match your presentation. Review your chart to ensure the information is displayed clearly and accurately, and that's how you create a bar graph in PowerPoint. Create presentations in seconds with AI. Turn your ideas, notes, or documents into professional slides instantly. Available for Google Slides and PowerPoint.